What separates the ultra-rich from the average person? It's not just money, it's their mindset. The ultra-rich know how to think like billionaires, and in this video we'll discuss 9 secrets that millionaires and billionaires use to get ahead in life. Welcome to Epic State, your home for money, mindset, and motivation. Number 1. Forget passion, fix problems. Forget what you love doing. If you want to be a billionaire, you have to think like one. You have to be practical. Most people get this wrong. Nothing removes your objectivity and kills your passion faster than turning what you love into a business. Yes, you need to be interested, but your goal when making money should be just that, making money. You have to find problems and fix them. That's it. That's the secret. Look at the world around you and find something that isn't working right. Then figure out how to make it work better. It's really that simple. Forget about your dreams and think about solutions. Forget about what makes you happy and think about what makes people's lives easier. You can quickly remove yourself from the business once it starts making money. So passion is not required. This is how billionaires think. It's a numbers game. It's much easier to follow your dreams and passions later when you have money coming in. Number 2. The devil is in the details. As the saying goes, the devil is in the details. And when it comes to business, that could not be more true. The most successful billionaires are the ones who obsess over every little detail of their businesses. Whether it's making sure the products they sell are of the highest quality or making sure their customer service is exceptional. They understand that it's the small things that make a big difference. This is how billionaires like Elon Musk made their money. Not just by fixing problems, but by creating better products. So the next time you're facing a business decision, don't let anything slip through the cracks. Look at every angle and detail. Number 3. The path you take. Investing aside for a moment, there are 2 types of billionaires when it comes to creating businesses. Those who fix big, high-value problems for a few people, and those who fix small problems for many people. So you either fix a $1 problem for a billion people, or you fix a $10 million problem for 100 people. There are obviously pros and cons to both. Having fewer customers can make things faster and easier, but you are more vulnerable if you lose a customer. Though you will also be probably fixing a more technical problem, so there will be less competition or chance of being copied. Elon Musk is a prime example. SpaceX charges millions to do flights for NASA and send up satellites into space. Competition for this is currently pretty low. But Tesla, even though still technical, has much more competition from other car firms who are trying to eat into their market share. Billionaires understand that the value of the problem you fix and how you stand apart from the competition is key to long-term success. Number 4. Attention is the new oil. Bill Gates once said that content is king. In the attention economy, that couldn't be more true. Attention is the new oil, and businesses are scrambling to get their share. Attention is a finite resource. Just like there is only so much oil in the ground, there is only so much attention to go around. That's why it's so valuable. The newest billionaires of our generation are those who have put the time into leveraging attention so that when they do finally monetize it, the results are massive. Take Joe Rogan and Mr. Beast. These guys are making hundreds of millions of dollars. Or Rihanna, who has leveraged her fame to market beauty products, making her a new billionaire. Or Kylie Jenner, who has just done the same. The list goes on and on. Those who like to be in the limelight or partner with people who do will be the billionaires of the future. Number 5. Network and trust. When it comes to business, it's not just what you know, it's who you know. And when it comes to thinking like a billionaire, it's who you know and, more importantly, who you can trust. The key to success in business and growth is your network. The people you know and the trust you have in them are essential. Billionaires know this, and they build their businesses around their networks. They cultivate relationships with the people who can help them achieve their goals. They develop trust and respect for those who can help them grow their businesses. And they use their networks to find new opportunities and make things happen. So if you want to think like a billionaire, start by thinking about your network and the people who can help you achieve your goals. Number 6. humility, and a willingness to learn. Humility and a willingness to learn are essential if you want to think like a billionaire. After all, even the most successful business people understand that they don't know everything. Instead, they're always learning, whether it's from books, mentors, or employees. This doesn't mean that billionaires are constantly second-guessing themselves. Instead, they're confident in their abilities and open to new ideas. This combination of humility and confidence is key to making smart decisions in business and in life. So start by being humble and have an always learning mindset. Number 7. Accountable. Billionaires are accountable for their actions. That means taking responsibility for your successes and your failures. It also means learning from your mistakes. Billionaires know that they can't always be right, but they can always learn from their mistakes and use the knowledge to make better decisions in the future. Accountable people are always moving forward and always learning. And that's what separates them from the rest of the pack. If you want to think like a billionaire, start by being accountable for your own success and failure. Accountability is the key to unlocking success. Number 8. They take risks. When it comes to businesses, billionaires are willing to take risks. Many entrepreneurs don't want to take risks because they are afraid of failing. But billionaires are different. They understand that in order to achieve success, sometimes you have to put everything on the line. Billionaires are also great at spotting opportunities, and they are quick to seize them before anyone else does. This allows them to stay ahead of the competition and continue to grow their businesses. So start taking some calculated risks and look out for new opportunities in life. Number 9. Abundant mindset. Billionaires are abundant thinkers. Abundant thinkers believe that there is always enough wealth to go around, that there is plenty of money to be made in the world. They don't believe in scarcity, and they know that if they work hard, they can achieve their goals. Abundant thinkers are confident and optimistic. They see opportunity where others see obstacles. If you want to think like a billionaire, you need to adopt an abundant mindset. With that said, we've come to the end of today's video. If you enjoyed it, then hit the like button and make sure to subscribe for more money, mindset, and motivation. Until next time.